Go ahead. Let's do this problem. Okay, let's do this problem, guys. Whatever is on the board. Okay, if you're getting stuck, feel free to let me know. Is that right? Let me check, Amma. Sham and Ritisha, you have different answers. Johan has the same answer as Sham. Ritisha, you want to check the x coordinate, ma? I'll check now.
Oh, I think I know my mistake.
You know the problem? Okay.
Is that right?
I'll check, ma. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I think we have to move on from here. That's right. That's right, Madhya. Dia, Johan, Sham, and Ritisha got it. I'll wait. Vidyut, I really want you to answer. Ashwin, I'm going to wait. Vishnu Ram, I'm going to wait this time.
Yeah, just a second.
Wait,
Anish, yes.
I have the answer. I just can't type it. It says you left the meeting.
Amma, please go back. Again, click on my name and then wait, let me
Oh wait, I
message.
figured out how to work.
Yeah, good. Nice. Hey, and on another note, right? I don't know whether you all bought the calculators. Because that's Vishnu Ram. Your y coordinate is incorrect, Amma. You have to be careful.
Oh, I got the calculator.
Yeah, I know you got the calculator. Now send me the answer for this one. Ashwin,
Yeah.
that seems incorrect. Anish, that seems incorrect. Ashwin or Anish, do you want to do it on the board quick?
Okay.
Either of you can do. Come on, guys.
Onto the board. How do I write? Oh yeah, here.
I think I'm mixing up like the numbers. I think that's what I'm doing wrong.
I'll help
Yes,
you.
here.
Like I got like a weird number like minus 19, so I'm redoing it.
Do. I'll wait. Anish, go ahead and do.
Wait 1 minute.
Vishnu Ram, you can as well read on the board quick, come on.
Okay.
So
Ashwik, I didn't get your answer either, right? You didn't get it?
I think I sent one, but yeah, I don't really understand.
No problem at all.
I don't understand.
On the y coordinate, what I did was so can I share it?
Sure.
Okay. What I did was 3 is the starting point, so I did 3 plus
What? Are you doing it on the board?
No, that's somebody else.
No. I know. Ashwin is doing it on the board. Ashwin, don't erase. I want to see.
But that's
No.
not me.
No. It was Anish, I think. Anish, Anish, I just saw you write something. All are waiting.
I thought I was supposed to erase it.
Okay, then write it down again, right? We want to see what you did, right?
Okay.
It's okay. Meaning, I make mistakes. You make mistakes. It's like that. Go ahead. Okay.
Is there, and then the distance?
For the x coordinate.
And then the distance is
-4 plus.
Yeah,
Okay, -4. You're adding it to what?
I'm adding it to the ratio.
To the ratio 3? Not 3 by 2. You're splitting it into 5 pieces, right? 3/5.
Oh. That.
You got it?
Yeah.
So what is it? -4 plus 2, which is a
1, 6, 2. Because this is crossed out, that's 1.
6. Good job.
1,
That's
2,
right.
6.
Good. Good job. So x coordinate is 2. Come to the y coordinate. What happens? You start with -2 because that's the
I made the same mistake.
-2 plus 3 by 5 times.
Mhm.
What is the distance? 3 by 5 times.
5.
And y 3 minus -2 5.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
made the same mistake.
So the coordinate is 2, 1. P's coordinate is 2, 1. Vidyut, did you get it?
Yeah. Priyanti.
Hmm.
Is there like a specific formula for this? Because
There is, but I don't want you to go by formula. You know, this class is not meant to be given formulas.
Okay.
How did you
Because,
know?
like,
There is a
sometimes.
specific, yes, there is a specific formula. You want to know the formula? I don't mind
Yeah.
giving the formula, but you know what? I don't want this class to go by formulas.
Okay. I just like sometimes when I know this way and the formula, I feel like
It's easier. I don't mind giving you, but this class, I don't want to go give you the formula. Instead, I want you to understand and do that. So here, if a point A is x1, y1, you can note it down. B, since you asked me, it's my duty to give as well, x2, y2. Then, if you want to find out a point P that is at a fractional distance, meaning let's say you're cutting this line in the ratio A is to B, then that point P, how will you find that point P? You will do first x1, the starting point for x, plus A by A plus B, the fraction of x2 minus x1. That is, this is the x coordinate. For the y coordinate, y1, the starting point, plus A by A plus B of y2 minus y1. Make sense?
Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong now.
What is that you're doing wrong?
No, I was doing something wrong by accident. I was accidentally doing y1 minus y2.
That's because, see, always the distance is from the ending to the ending, subtract the starting. You got it?
Yeah, now I got it.
Okay, can I move on? Anish, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, on another note, guys, I really wanted to know, were you able to do this one? Okay, suppose they ask you, prove that the midpoint of the segment, see, I have a segment with endpoints x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, how do I prove that the midpoint of this, how do I prove that the midpoint of this is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2? How do I prove it? Any thoughts? First, what are the things I need to prove? I have to prove AM or M is on the same line as AB. For me to prove that, what should I do? What should I do to prove M is on the same line as AB? Who can tell me?
The equation.
You could try finding the points of the midsection.
Can we find the slope? If I find the slope of AM and AB the same, then can I say AMB are on the same line?
Yeah.
So I find the slope of AM and also I find the slope of AB. That way I can vouch if they are equal. See, if the slopes are equal, then you can say lines are parallel. But in this case, I'm comparing AM and AB, where A is common to both. In that case, I can say that they are on the same line, right? So how do you find the slope of AM? You know the point M is this. How to find out the slope? y2 minus y1, right? y2 is this. Minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x1 ending point is this, right? x2. That is the slope, right? So the slope of AM is this. Slope of AB is what? This is how I prove. Now this is y1 plus y2 minus 2y1 divided by 2 divided by x1 plus x2 minus 2x1 divided by 2. So what does it mean? This one, I can write it just like that here. y1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is what? If I simplify, if you don't know how to simplify, now is the time to ask. Slope of AB will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, the slopes are one and the same. That means that they are all on the same line. But how to prove that the midpoint of AB is this? What will I do to prove that the midpoint? I have to find the distance, right? How to find the distance? If the distance is equal, then that's the midpoint, right? AM. How to find out the distance? You know, right? You know how to find out the distance AM. What will you do? Y2 minus y1 the whole square divided by x2 minus x1 the whole square, right? Y2 is this, minus y1 the whole square. Then what? Plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. X2 minus x1 the whole square. So what is that? Y1 plus y2 minus 2y1 the whole square. We also have division by 2. Let's see. Plus, what else I have to do? If it's unclear, you have to stop me. Plus x1 plus x2 minus 2x1 divided by 2 the whole square. What is this? I don't know. So y2 minus y1 divided by 2 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 divided by 2 the whole square. Am I making it correct? Am I doing it right? Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
This is the distance. Similarly, you have to find out distance MB. Do you get it, guys?
Yes.
So if you do that, then they both will be equal. So that's how you prove. Okay, proof and all I have not done, right? So I really wanted to bring this up, and Ashwin also asked about this. Ashwin, did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about we'll find out distance, meaning I'll do one thing fully at least. Why leave halfway, right? Let's do how to find out distance MB. MB is B is actually the second point, right? B point is what? B point is y2. y2 minus y1 plus y2 by 2 the whole square, right? This one, y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 plus x2 by 2 the whole square. How do you do this? 2y2 minus y2 is there. So y2 minus y1 the whole square divided by 2 plus x2. See, this will be 2x2. 2x2 minus x1 minus x2 by 2 the whole square. So this simplifies to y2 minus y1 the whole square divided by 2 plus these two combine to become x2 minus x1 the whole square divided by like this. Now see, these both are exactly the same. Distance AM is the same as MB. That tells that M is the midpoint. Guys, if you don't understand, you have to stop me from moving further. Did you all get it?
Yes.
Johan, how about you?
Yeah.
Ashwin, how about you? Vidyut, how about you?
Yeah, I got it.
What, Amma? Vishnu Ram, did you understand?
Kind of.
Kind of. Where is that you didn't understand?
I don't understand some of the formulas.
Yeah, same.
Okay, yeah, same. Okay. Then I would like to do this proof with you. You guys have to understand. Okay, so let me do it slowly. Now there are 2 points, A, x1, comma y1, B, x2. I'll slowly do x2, comma y2. Midpoint is, you are saying, right? We know this by heart. Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. They've given this. Midpoint is, there is a line segment AB. Let me also draw that for you. x1, comma y1, B, x2, comma y2. Okay, and then this midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, you know by formula. But how did you get this formula? It's not hard to get it. For me, to prove that this is the midpoint formula, I'm going to prove that this is the midpoint formula. For that, as I said, first thing, I'm going to prove slope of AM is equal to slope of AB. That is the first thing I'm going to prove. How to prove that? How to find out the slope? Slope is slope of any 2 points. Think about it. Change in y by change in x, right? Change in y by change in x. What is this change in y by change in x? Second point minus the first point, second point minus the first point. Correct? You know that, right? In a general scenario, this is the formula for slope. For me to find out AM, right? This is my x1 and y1. My second point is this is my x2 and y2. That means this is my second point. Second point's x coordinate is this. Second point's y coordinate is this. First point's x coordinate is this. First point's y coordinate is that. How to find out the slope? Change in y. Change in y means this is my ending point, right? y1 plus y2 by 2. Then I have to subtract from y1. That is my slope. Divided by x coordinate. How am I going to find out the slope? Ending x minus the starting x.
Priyanti,
Yeah.
can I quickly go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead. Now, how do I do this? To make the denominators equal, right? So, I'll put it out as 2y1 by 2. I'll put it out as 2x1 by 2. It's the same as x1. Now, both the denominators are the same, so you can subtract the numerators. y1 plus y2 minus 2y1 by 2 divided by x1 plus x2 minus 2x1 by 2. Now, what happens? These two are similar when you look at it. y2 minus y1 divided by 2. Denominator you'll get x2 minus x1 divided by 2. The 2 get cancelled. So you will end up with y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 as the slope of AM. AM slope I found out. Next I have to find the AB slope. AB slope you already know because it's very simple xy coordinates. y2 minus y1 divide by x2 minus x1. Any questions here? Any questions here?
No.
Vishnu Ram, were you able to follow now?
Yeah.
Ritisha, you were able to follow?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Now, the next thing what I want to do is I have to prove that M is the midpoint. For that, I have to prove that this distance AM is the same as MB. You know how to find the distance between AB because those are nice coordinates, easy coordinates. What do? Difference in y the whole square. If you want to find out AB, difference in y the whole square plus difference in x the whole square, you just square root, right? It's Pythagorean theorem, right? But if I want to find out AM, my actual thing is I have to find the distance AM and distance MB. Let me put it in a different color so you're not confused. How to find out the distance AM? That's a little hard because this is making it very hard. What is the distance? First, the y difference let me do. This is my ending point. Subtract the starting y, the whole square. Plus similarly, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 minus x1 the whole square. Any questions, guys? Ritisha, did you get it? Now make the denominators the same. 2y1 by 2, here as well 2x1 by 2. Then only I can add them, right? If you add them, y1 plus y2 minus 2y1 by 2 the whole square plus x1 plus x2 minus 2x1 divide by 2 the whole square. These two are similar. y2 minus y1 by 2 the whole square plus these two are similar. x2 minus x1 by 2 the whole square. Any questions, guys? So this is my distance AM. In a similar way, you need to find out the distance MB. How to find out the distance MB? For finding the distance MB, where is the distance MB? Yeah, how to find out the distance MB? This is your ending point, y2 minus y1 plus y2 divided by 2, the whole square, right? But the thing is, see, the minus should be distributed to both. y2 minus y1, see, it will be 2y2 because I have to make the denominator same, 2y2 by 2. 2y2 minus y1 minus y2 by 2 the whole square is y coordinate. Similarly, x coordinate will become 2x2 minus 2x, let me see. Any questions still here on the y coordinate, guys? For MB, the distance MB I am finding y2 minus the entire thing the whole square. x2 minus the entire thing the whole square will get you to 2x2 minus x1 minus x2 divided by 2 the whole square. Now these two are similar. So what would happen? y2 minus y1 the whole square divided by y2 minus y1 by 2 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 by 2 the whole square, and then that is square rooted, which is the same as AM. AM and MB distance are exactly the same. That proves that M is the midpoint. What is making it complicated is this, the point, meaning when you do some fractional subtraction or addition with that, it becomes very hard. Am I making a little bit clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
I have a
Ratish.
question.
Tell me.
For AM and AB, can't you just consider it as like y2 minus y1 over 2 plus x2 minus x1 over 2? Because the square root would cancel out to the whole square, right?
Wait, Ratisha.
Because
Wait, I'm going to do it for you.
Yeah.
Let me do it. Wait. Yes, it's okay to take time. These things can make it. Go ahead. What is your question?
so you said to find AM, like I think the distance, right?
Yeah.
Between A to
Correct.
M, it was the square root of the whole square of y2 minus y1 over 2.
y1 is what? Oh, the first, this ending point, right? y1 plus y2 by 2.
Yeah.
And then you subtract what? This y1.
Yeah.
I put it the whole square, right?
Mhm.
Plus similarly x as well, I have to do the same thing. Ending x.
Yeah, no, I get that part, but can't you just like make it as, can you cancel out the whole square with the square root?
We can. So what would happen?
Then it would just be like y2 minus y1 over 2, right?
Correct. y2, let me see. In that case, right, y2 minus y1, basically this is this, right? x2 minus x1 by 2 the whole square. We're going to take square root. Now what do you want to do, ma?
Can't you cancel out the whole square with the root?
For the entire thing, huh?
Yeah, like cancel out both whole squares with the root. Can't
Good
you do that?
question you're asking. Wait, let me bring up something. Very good question, Ratisha. There is something you can bring it out of the square root, but you cannot take the square root. I'll tell you why. A square plus b square. If it's inside the square root, can you write it out as a and b? No, right? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Whereas, if square root of a plus b the whole square, okay. That means what?
A plus b, you can take
Makes
out a plus
sense.
b.
This is different from this. Am I making sense?
Yes.
You know what? I don't know whether, I don't think I've introduced this to you guys. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So these two are not equal. Do you see, Ritisha?
Yeah, you learn a plus b whole square in quadratics mostly.
Yeah, that's true. So many of them, see, okay, then I'll be telling stories to you. See, consider a square of length AB, meaning this side is of length A and B. Similarly, this is a square, right? So this is A, this is B. This is a big story. If you have a square like this, how do you find the area of the square? You tell me. Like a box method. A square.
Yeah, I've seen this before.
Then you have B square. Then you have one AB here. Why AB? A times B. Box method. And then AB. So now the area a plus b the whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This, as a part of algebra, you have to memorize this. In your sleep, you should be able to tell. You should never say a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square. This is so incorrect. You understand why, right? A plus b the whole square is the area of the square. When you put box method and then try to find the area, right? This is a times a, then this is ab, then this is ba, then this is b square. So the area becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is a very big formula in algebra 1. So yeah, with that in place, right, square root of a square plus b square can never be equal to a plus b. If suppose you have square root of a plus b the whole square, yes, you can bring a plus b out. Why? Because this can be written as a plus b times a plus b. Anything duplicates, then one can be taken out, right? So that becomes a
Oh.
plus b.
Would that work for an? Because technically it's both. It's a squared plus b squared and it's a plus b whole squared too.
Will it work for?
The equation for an, a to n.
It won't, right? The same thing, right? Meaning, this is am, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here what, 1 minute, wait, this is x2 minus x1 the whole square divided by 2 square. I can write it out as 4.
Yeah.
I can write it out as 4 underneath square root of. So 2 can be brought out, that's all. But this one you can't, right? This is like a square plus b square, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You
just
see what
wanted
I
to-
mean?
Yeah.
You
I
can't
understand.
bring that out. But then you can bring this denominator out and write a 1 by 2. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Guy, Vidyut, are you following Vidyut? Or you're done? You're overwhelmed?
I'm just trying to follow. I'm trying to follow.
You don't have to know this proof, but if you understood it, it's great.
I'm trying to understand because the Khan Academy thingy I was trying to tell you, it was kind of related about this, but like graphing and all that, and I have no idea. It's like absolute value and all that, and I'm not really familiar with it.
No problem. But Ashwin, did you understand this proof?
Understand this proof? Kind of. Yeah.
Kind of. Okay.
Sam,
No
I
problem,
also-
guys. Nobody is going to
No
teach you.
problem, guys.
Nobody will teach you this complicated stuff. Johan, did you understand? I'm just trying to understand how many of you
Yeah.
understand.
I understand.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. I'm not. Shyam, did you get it or no? It's
Yes,
okay to say no. Huh?
I get it.
You get it, Dia? How about you, Ma?
I get it.
Ashwik, you don't have to say you get it just for me. Please, nothing of that sort. Ashwik, did you understand or okay?
Yeah, it's okay. I
It's
don't.
okay. Yeah, I get it. Vishnu Ram, how about you? It's okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's not really okay. Got it. Okay. So we are not going to do this proof, okay? Those of you who understood, it's fine. Okay. Skip it for now. Now, okay. What did I want to do? So what was the last exercise that you did?
I think chapter 8.
Chapter 8. Chapter 8 we are done. Chapter 8 we are done. But now I want to graph. Okay, I cannot go without graphing them. Okay, there are many challenge problems. Give me a minute. I don't want to go without. For chapter 8, yeah, I know I did it, but I'm not happy. Chapter 9 can wait. Okay, I was in a hurry. I want to make graphing inequalities is important. I'll do it. But before that, I wanted to graph lines. Yeah, it just like that flew through. Okay, this is not what I want to do. So, Vidyut, can you share screen and show me what are you trying to show? I'm going to work on graphing today further, okay?
I accidentally pressed something on Zoom and then it's like at a profile thingy and then I can't get out of it.
Close the window. If you log out, log back in.
Wait, get out the Zoom meeting?
Yeah, get out of the Zoom meeting if you want to.
Oh, I took it off.
Okay, are you in a position to share screen or no?
Wait, in a sec.
Okay, okay. I'm going to graph lines and show you how to find intersection points. Okay, so let's see. Before that, are you going to show us or are you going to do it
Yeah.
late?
I got it.
Sure, we are waiting.
I think it's not really that related, but I just really want to ask you about this. This thing.
Go ahead.
I have no idea how to do this.
You're not, oh yeah, you're sharing something which I'm not seeing. What is that?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, actually,
My
it's not.
mom's calling me. Can I go
Yeah,
downstairs?
yeah, go and come quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Complete the description of transformation. Who is
Teacher?
asking you to do this, Amma? Did they give you as a
I
part
have
of?
to go.
Okay, you go. Go, Anish. Go
Because
ahead.
for my school, I need to complete like 60% of Algebra 1 in Khan Academy, and this is like Unit 6. So I have to do it.
Okay, you're going to wait till the end of the class. Okay, this is Algebra 2 for me.
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
It
Okay.
says Algebra 1.
It says Algebra 1. What am I to do? It says Florida's Algebra 1. Yes, but I can teach you if you want to, not now. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we are not in a position to take this in. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Can I take my screen?
Yeah.
Good.
also had some similar questions like that.
You also had, where is it? Show me. Good. I'm glad you guys are bringing it up. Go ahead and show. So that I will make up my mind to discuss this sometime next week or so. Go ahead.
I can't really show it because I logged out of my account like a long time ago.
Okay, you can't really show now. Okay, then at the end of the class, will you show me? No.
Maybe, I don't know.
Next week, will you show me?
Yeah, I'll try to.
Okay, but remind me, you're going to show me next week. Then only I'll know what kind of problems you guys are working on.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, now, see, they can ask you, see, I can give you equations of lines and ask you to solve two variable two equations. Let's say I have a line. Give me a minute. I will come up with two. Hey, I want to give you homework on partitioning line segments. So you're going to do this and you'll do the same once more when you come to geometry. Let's see. Give me a minute, guys. I just want to make sure I give you this partitioning line segment. You're going to give me a minute, okay? Because I will forget this. So partitioning line segment, definitely do it as homework. That is not a part in the book, okay? Because it discusses only Algebra 1. So there's only one question. I want you to do more, okay? A of Algebra 1. A of Algebra, okay. So this is, there will be some overlap, Johan. I do understand. Parallel perpendicular lines also overlap between Algebra 1 and geometry. Make sense? It will be just grind for you, which is good, right? You will be too good with that. Okay. So I will put out a date. Okay. Now we are going to go ahead with two variable two equations, how to graph it. Okay. I really want to graph lines and solve problems. If you can see, I really want you to be able to see this in different perceptions. Let's see. Let me first show you one problem, then we'll see. Okay, how about this? No, 1 second, guys. We'll take up this. Okay, let's do this one. X plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. I'm going to give you two variable two equations. X plus y equal to 5. 4x minus y equal to 10. 4x minus y equal to 10. If you're given this, right, You all know how to solve it, right? What is the intersection point of these two lines? How will you solve it? One of you explain.
Can I explain?
Yeah, sure, Ritisha.
So you can first you could either you could actually just do elimination. You could subtract the second equation from the first one to remove the y coordinate. So you like add them, so you get 5x equals 15 and x
Equal
equals
to 3.
Then you plug it into the first equation, which would get you y equals to 2.
So you get y equal to 2. Nice. This is the algebraic way of solving things. But you know what? If you want to solve it graphically, right, you can just graph the line. You know how? Sorry. You can just graph the line. How do you graph it? Let's show you. Let me show you. Ashwin, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't understand, you're going to immediately tell me. Make sense?
Make sense?
Okay. It's not only for Ashwin, for all of you. Okay. How about this? Like this, if I have, I'm going to graph this line. Do you all know how to graph lines or no? Do you know how to graph a line?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
easy way of graphing, I'll tell you. This is my line equation, right? You can write it in slope-intercept form like this, correct? The slope is -1, y-intercept is 5. You get only 1 point, meaning using the slope and the intercept, you can always graph a line. But I am very lazy. How to graph the line when they give you this equation? Very easy. Substitute x equal to 0. What is y? Substitute x equal to 0. What is y? 5. Substitute y equal to 0. What is x? 5. So these two are points on the line 0, 5 and 5, 0. Those two points are enough to draw a line. You got it? The other one is, other equation given is 4x minus y equal to 10. How to graph this line? You know, as I said, right, you can always do y equal to 4x minus 10. My slope is 4, my intercept is minus 10. With that slope and intercept, you can always graph a line. It's not a big deal, right? But another easy way is substitute x equal to 0, y equal to minus 10. Substitute y equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 5 by 2. Now, these 2 points become the equations on points on the line 0, minus 10, 0, minus 10, somewhere down here. The other point is 0, minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 is minus 2.5, right? So these two are the points. So I'll draw this line like this. If you properly do it in a graph sheet, this is the solution x comma y, which is 3 comma 2. Drawing is not up to scale. Make sense, guys? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
You're all getting how to graph a line? Are you all getting how to graph a line?
Yeah.
Okay. Easiest way is find the, what is this called? What is this point called? Anybody? 0, 5. What is that point?
The y-intercept.
The y-intercept.
Y-intercept. What is the other point called?
The x-intercept.
Yep. So find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of any line given. It's very easy to graph it. Once you graph it, wherever they intersect is your intersection point. That is the solution to the two variable 2 equations. Make sense? Now you know what I'm going to do. I suggested a calculator for you, but please guys, I am of the fullest belief that this class will not abuse using the calculator. Okay, you should not be open to, hey, okay, let me type it into the calculator, let me find the answer. That's not the intent at all. But for you to be skillful in the calculator usage, I'm telling you this. Let's consider the same two equations, x plus y equal to 5, 4x minus y equal to 10. One of you note down. I'll show you how to do it in the calculator, but please don't abuse. Okay. X plus y, 4x minus y. Okay, let me go ahead and try doing it in the calculator. Okay. Let's go to TI-84. If you don't have the calculator, if you have not bought the calculator, doesn't matter. There's always an online version of it at ta84calc.com. If you want, you note it down, okay? Now, start TA84 calculator. This is the calculator I asked you to buy. Okay, the alternate version in the internet is this. Okay, everybody uses this. Algebra 1, Algebra 2, geometry. Every kid will use it, and then pre-calc, everybody can use it from now on. But at the Algebra 1 level, you're not allowed to abuse it, but you should know how to do this. Okay, can one of you tell me what were the two equations? I'll show you.
X
Please
plus
start
5 equals y. X plus y equals 5, sorry.
Okay, no problem. And then?
And then the other one was 4x minus y equals 10.
Right? Okay. So you have two line equations, right? It's so easy. Calculator is so nice to use, but don't do it, okay? So here, but you have to check and be very good with calculator usage. That's why I'm starting to tell you this right off. Now, how to type it into the calculator? See the line. You know what? Let me go to, you have to meddle with it. Okay, you know what? I don't know why this is coming though. One second, guys. I don't know why this will appear. Give me a minute. Usually it does not. Maybe. See, this should not come. I cannot type everything.
Maybe you can drag it?
I can drag it.
I don't know.
No, it's not dragging. See, I want to access that first line. Otherwise, I can't do. Let's see.
Maybe try.
What is it, ma? No problem. Wait, I will bring one thing. Anyway, I'll have to show you, right? I'll choose another website, that's all. Yep, I got it. There is another website, okay? You can use either, okay? Both I use it in classes. Now, x plus y equal to 5, right? So, you know what I do? Let's see how to type it in. Start. No, hold on. I forgot. Hold on. I really want you to be able to do this. Let's see. Yeah. Good. Okay, got it. Now, you know what I do? I just go press y equal to. In the calculator, when you open, the top button is y equal to. See, you get all equations in here. This is where you can type your equation. Both the equations you can type. So I can say, see, but the problem is here it says y equal to. So you have to bring it to the slope-intercept format. Meaning this is, the first equation says y equal to. Anish, are you following? Anish? Okay. Oh, he went. Okay. So y will be equal to 5 minus x, right? So let me clear that. I will write out 5. The minus is here. 5 minus x. X is here. Do you see the button X? And then enter. The next equation y will be equal to 4x minus 10. 4x. It takes a long time to understand to type. That's why I'm saying get used to your own calculator after you buy. Once you draw
Wait,
these
wouldn't
two.
it be like oh wait, never mind. I'm so sorry.
Go ahead, no problem.
No, I thought it would be negative 4x, but then if you
Yeah,
put the negative.
I got it. Now, can I graph it? Graph means just click on graph. See, so easy. You get the equation immediately. So using the calculator is a skill as well. So how to find the intersection point? Do you see the blue line and the red line are coinciding? So when you think about it, the blue is this blue, the first line. The red is the second line. So go to graph. The blue is the first line. Red is the second line. How to find the intersection point? It's very easy again. Let's see. We will go to second calc, I think. Yep. Second calc. Press the second button. See, all the blues will work after pressing the second button. Second calc, if you do, you go to intersect, enter. It's not showing me, right? Again, click enter. It's not showing me still the intersect. Guess, again, it's not showing me the intersect. Again, enter. Ah, there you go. 3, 2. Make sense? Does that make sense, guys, or was it too much for you?
I understand.
I
I
understood.
understand. I think it's gonna take me a bit to get used to
It is going to take you 1 day or 2 days.
Yeah,
You'll
it take you 1 day or 2 days.
You will struggle typing it into the calculator, I tell you, because it takes a lot of time. That's why I'm saying get a calculator, get used to typing these and understanding how the calculator works. What is that blue thing on the top? What is that? If you don't understand, bring it to class. We'll all sit, break our heads and learn. Or Google out and find out. Yes, Ashwin, I did not hear you. What was that?
What was that? No, I just said I understood.
You understood. Okay.
And
Anybody
also,
else? Yeah.
Priyanti, what are the green letters? Do they do anything?
This one, the green.
No, not the G, like A, B, C, D, like in the right, upper right corner of each button.
Upper right corner of each. This one ABC.
Yeah.
Oh, ABC, you can type letters, right? See here. Oh, no, wait. Clear. You can type letters when you come out of all these, right? No, I don't want, I want to come out of all these.
Miss Priya, I have to go.
Yeah, you can go, Ma. You can go. Mm. You don't use it till even your pre-calc, okay? But when it comes to trigonometry and all, you can use this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all this stuff. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
Not now. You don't have to use it right now.
Okay.
You will use only the blue ones and then you'll use the white ones.
And also, I had one more question.
What is it?
On from if you see the 7, the button above that, what is the
7.
EE? The blue EE?
Honestly, I don't know. I have to check. E is exponent looks like, ma.
Really?
Let's do. See, I have not meddled with that so much as well. And I welcome you to, meaning, you can trigger. Oh, artist, that if you ask, I'll have to go check and tell you.
Miss Priya, when will the class end?
Ma, it has to. When did we start?
Here?
Another 10 minutes, ma. 1.5 hours, I said, right?
Oh, I don't know. I thought it was only 1 hour.
Yeah, just today and next. You know, Ritisha, we canceled the class on 5th July.
Yeah, I remember.
I never conducted it, right? So I really want to finish up at least that. Because see, our target is to complete Algebra 1 book by January at least, right?
Yeah.
Really want to do. Okay. So did you get it now? Meaning we found out, see Vidyut, that E stands for exponent. 5 E6. E6 means 5 times 10 power of 6. Makes sense? That's what E is. So like that you can meddle and find out. You figuring out is the best way to understand how to use a calculator. Using a calculator fast is very helpful for SAT and ACT.
Okay.
It's a trick actually, meaning how to use the calculator very fast. Those kids finish nicely. Because in SAT, ACT and SAT, you can use the calculator. There is, I don't know whether they have, I heard that all sections can use calculator now. So,
Really?
yeah. So, the more you're used to calculators, the easier it is. Okay,
Wait.
otherwise, you'll be meddling there. How to find out the intersect? You'll be sitting and finding manually, which will take time and you cannot finish your questions. Okay,
And also, is that like sine, cosine? Will you use that in like high school?
Yeah, very much. In geometry, you'll use it. Next year, you'll use it.
Oh, I have to use it for the PSAT.
Yes, sine 30, sine 40, you can use sine 30.
Wait, in 7th grade, I learned that?
7th grade, you won't learn it. When you study geometry, you'll learn it. Make sense? Any other questions? Johan, did you have any question? Ashwin, did you have any question? Vishnu Ram?
No.
Okay. So we talked about graphing. Okay, now would you mind, meaning I don't know whether you guys know, can I give you 1 or 2 more problems so you can try graphing?
Okay.
Maybe 1 problem. Okay, then we'll log off. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
You know what happened to Shyam? I don't know. Okay. Let me try this one. How about this? Let's try graphing lines. Yeah, how about this? X equal to Y graphing. Yeah. How about this? You can do this one and show me the answer. Or you can use a calculator as well. I don't mind as long as you learn how to use the calculator, but don't use to solve problems. You can use it to check still. It all depends on your values, right? So you can use it to check still. So let me go ahead and give you the problem. 3p plus q equal to 5. 3p plus, I'll give you simple problem so you can do the graphing quickly. 3p plus q, please don't solve algebraically, okay? I know that you all know to solve algebraically very nicely. P minus 2q equal to 4. P minus 2q equal to 4. P minus 2q equal to 4.
We have to put it in the calculator?
Either you put it in the calculator or do it by graphing on a piece of paper. Both you need to be good at.
Wait, we show you the graph when we
Yes, in the video.
Okay.
If you do it by this way, show it in the video. If you do it by this way, yes, you can. I'm okay as long as don't do it algebraically. If you want to check use algebraically, you will be able to solve it quickly. The intent for you to understand how to solve these equations using calculator and graphing.
Can I do it through the TI-84 like online calculator?
Yes, Sage. Yeah, Sage. Go to Sage TI-84 calculator. Yeah, or TI-84calc.com.
Okay.
Try, and wherever you are suffering, share the screen. I'll help you. This is a good way for you to understand how to start using calculators. They'll teach you only later.
Okay.
How do you type P into the calculator?
You don't have to type P, right? That becomes X and Y. Good question.
Oh,
That becomes X and Y.
where's Y? How do you type Y in the calculator?
You don't have to type Y. Can you share the screen? I'll tell you how.
Okay.
You want to share screen, Vishnuram? I'll help you. Yes, I'm seeing.
So what do I do?
No. Okay, what is your equation? Sorry, Vishnuram, you have to tell me what is the equation I gave you. Can I draw on your board?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so tell me what is the equation I gave you?
3p plus q equals 5.
3p plus q equal to 5. So take 1 as x. 3x plus y equal to 5, right?
Yeah, where's Y?
Wait. So what is y? How do you express y? 3x plus y equal to 5, right? Y will be equal to minus 3x plus 5, correct?
Yeah.
So you have to type minus 3x plus 5. Y is already there. Y equal to they are asking. You got it?
Yeah, how do I delete stuff?
Delete. Yes. See, everything requires help, right? So that's why I'm saying meddle with it and learn. Yeah, correct. Wait, Vishnu. That minus is correct. Huh? Which minus did you use? The minus in the lower row you should use. Yes. If you don't use it, it'll error out. Yeah, plus 5, correct. Second one, enter.
Enter.
Enter, yeah. See, like
P.
this, you learn it. It is a slow process. That's why I'm saying start using it from now on. So you'll be far ahead.
So P minus 2Q equals 4.
P minus 2Q, huh?
Yeah, equals
X
4.
minus 2y equal to 4, right? So what is y equal to?
Minus 2. So Y equals to 2. Wait, what?
X minus 2y equal to what? 4, huh?
No, yeah, P minus 2Q equals 4.
So x minus 2y equal to 4 means x minus 5 equal to 2y, x minus 5 by 2, right?
X
It'll
minus
be 0.5x plus
No
2, I
problem.
think.
We can type x minus 5 by 2. You don't take anything to your brain. X minus 5 by 2, right? Wait. No. X minus 5 is within parenthesis.
Should I click clear?
Clear, yeah. Within
Okay.
parenthesis. Open the parenthesis. Yup, x minus 5. X minus, that minus, yes. Minus 5, divide by 2. Now, graph. Press on that graph. That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, how to calculate? I'll tell you how to calculate the intersect.
Okay.
Go to,
Okay, well.
go to second.
Where's second?
The blue button, ma.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah, wait. And you want to go to calc. Calc. The fourth button on the top.
Fourth button on the top.
Ma, it is so easy. For the first day, it will be frustrating for you guys. Calc.
Where's calc?
Calc is a fourth button on the top row.
Oh.
Okay. Now come to go down. Down arrow to intersect. Enter. It's not giving you still. Enter. It's not giving you still. Enter. It's not giving you still. Enter. Ah, there you go. You got it?
Yeah.
That's the answer. You all got it?
Yeah.
It's over like 7.
Yep.
Like a fraction of 7.
Is it correct?
I think, yeah, it's 1 over 7 and
Yeah.
1
Oh, 2
4
1 over
over
7 and then what? Minus.
Wait, how did you get 5 though? For x minus 5, wasn't it 4? Wasn't the intercept 4?
I don't know. Meaning, see, I went by what were the equations, ma, Ritisha?
3.
The first
See,
one was like
I see.
the first one was 3p, I think, plus q equals 5. The second one,
Amma. 1 minute. I need a pen.
the
Wait, ma.
second.
Tell me, Ritisha, what was it?
So the first one was 3p, 3p minus plus q equals 5, and then the second
So
one
that will
was,
be, wait, ma, 3x plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 3x. Did we type it in correctly?
No, I
Let's
don't think we did.
go back. No problem. Go back. It's okay.
yeah, 5 minus 3x. And
Go
the
back.
second one,
No. Wait. Go back to y equal to. Vishnu Ram, go. So, minus 3x plus 5 is correct, Vishnu Ram. Second one, ma?
I think
second one,
it's x minus 4.
yeah, it's
Okay,
x minus 4
no
over
problem.
2.
Come down. We'll correct it and see there. Go to, now press delete. Yeah, 4. Yeah, put parenthesis, divide by 2. Yeah, now go back to the graph. Now see, you're getting used to nicely. Go back. Yeah, that's it. Does that help?
Yeah.
Intersect. Enter. Yes. You have 2 comma minus 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Johan, did you get it?
Yeah,
Was it new to you?
I guess.
Good to know. Okay. Vidyut, did you understand that?
Yeah, now I got it.
Okay, guys. I'll stop here, but please get used to the calculator as well. It will be so much be helpful. Diya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'll stop here, guys. See you all next week.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye, guys.
Miss
Bye.
Priya, I had a question.
Yes,
Bye.
Miss Priya, I had a question.
yes, please go ahead.
So for my PSAT, there are a few topics which I have not done yet, like, so I just have it in front of me, so, like quadratics and, functions, quadratics and functions I didn't do. Functions, I think I have a good understanding. It's just
No,
like,
actually, you know what? I would like to cover these two. See, quadratics is what is coming up next. Meaning, I can do one thing. Okay, instead of going to optimization, right? We don't need to do optimization now. Okay, there's no need. It goes into algebra 2. But after finishing inequalities, I can go to quadratics in chapter 11. When is your exam?
so it's last year. I'm not sure exactly this year, but I will just search it up. But last year it was towards the end of October.
Don't worry, I'll finish it.
And then functions was, so it's like there's a testing window between October 1st and 31st, but our school last year they did it like at the end of October, so I'm not sure.
No problem. Let's say the start of the October. See, oh my God. Okay, functions is also in this.
Yeah.
So,
Functions and non-linear functions. Linear functions and non-linear functions. I should correct that. Yeah, it's a linear function.
translations. Okay. Ritisha, I'll do one thing. I'll go ahead and cover functions and quadratics next. Does that do good? August
Yeah.
and September we'll finish.
Yeah, if that could or if you have a certain plan and you need to stick to that, I guess.
Not at all. Not at all. Everybody can understand the same as well.
Okay.
If it is a problem, I'll clearly let you know.
Okay.
Here
If
it's
there
not
is a problem, then if I could just get like some worksheets so I can, have it practice.
Absolutely, I'll do that. I'll do that beforehand if you want to. But for others as well, it's very good to learn these two functions and quadratics.
Okay.
We have moved too fast. I don't know how it's going to work. Let's see. Let's see. Meaning, looks like the way we are doing, right? We'll complete it in a few more months. Let's see. Yeah. You have a lot, meaning we can do arithmetic. Yeah, we have a lot more. But arithmetic sequences may also come, right, Ratisha?
I could tell you, I have the book next to me, so like I could tell you the.
But arithmetic sequences, geometric sequences is there as well, right?
So there's linear equations and graphs. There's systems of linear equations, which those two I got down from before. Linear functions, rates, ratios, proportions, percents, and units. Tables, statistics, and probability. Absolute value and nonlinear functions, quadratics, and then geometry and trigonometry. But trigonometry, it's more like kind of like just an introduction. Like sine, cosine, and tangent. That's all that there is for trigonometry.
Okay, so you've gone through that?
Not yet. I have just quadratics and geometry, trigonometry left to do. I've done the others.
You know Math Bits notebook?
Huh?
Math Bits notebook.
No, I don't know that.
Yeah, one easy way, right? I want you, at some point, I want you to be able to stand by yourself. You should not be depending on the class as well, right? So you know what you do? Let me stop the recording.